Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to show bookmarks bar in Chrome. We will start by opening Chrome. Click on the menu and click on Settings. After this, go to the Appearance section. There you are going to enable the switch, Show Bookmarks bar. You can see the Favorites bar with your favorite sites, and from here you can access them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.